Here we will write a program to explain how simple try catch block works. So in comment line I will write it. For this I will declare one method, simple try catch. Here I will declare three variables. First I1, which is initialized with 0, then I2, which is initialized with 128, and one result variable. And in try block I will write my code, result equal to I2 divided by I1, and I will print the result. And in catch block I will write an overflow exception occurs. And in main method I will call it to execute. Here when I execute this method, it will give a message, an overflow exception occurs. Since in try block we are calculating the result, here the value of I2 is 128 and I1 is 0. When you divide any number with 0, it will give an overflow exception. So when we execute this result, it will move the control to catch block and it will execute an overflow exception occurs. Here when error occurs, it will display the message that you have written here. If you want to display the message that C# execute, here with catch statement, use exception and an exception variable E. You can give any variable name. In console.writeline I will use e.toString function. And when we execute, it will give the description of our error, that is system.divide by 0 exception attempted to divide by 0. Instead of giving e.toString, you can also give e.message, and when we execute, it will display the message attempted to divide by 0. If I change the value of I1 to 10, and when we execute, it will display the output answer is 12. Since 128 divided by 10 is 12.